Hi, this is Health Coach Craig, and I got a Zoom tech tip for you. Many of us use our cell phones because we're running around, and our health coaching practice allows us to have lots of flexibility. And so we might be tuning into a Zoom meeting while we're driving in the car. We might be at a location that has sketchy Wi Fi, or we might have our internet connection just isn't fast enough. And so what happens is the audio that you're hearing is broken up, and when you try to speak, it's all over the place, and everybody else is going, ugh, I'm not getting anything, and they kind of tune you out. So what you can do is you can actually, on your phone, you can go in and you can actually use your internet connection for video. And if your video sketches in and sketches out, it doesn't really matter as long as your voice can be heard. And so you can use your internet connection for video, and you can use your phone's cellular connection for audio. Now, if you're on Verizon, you can't have both at the same time. But if you're on any of the other carriers besides Verizon, you can be on the internet and on a cellular phone call at the same time. And so here's how to do that. So if you're already connected to audio, you need to click on the screen, bring up the little More button in the bottom right-hand corner, click that, and disconnect from current audio. Then you want to, down in the bottom left-hand corner, you want to click on Join Audio. And then that's going to bring up the ability to dial in using your cellular connection. Click on one of those two numbers at the top, and the meeting ID number at the bottom is really important, that number 32. That's the way Zoom knows that the call-in user and your video is the same person. So click on one of those numbers there, and it'll automatically bring up a dial. You click dial, and now Zoom's going to automatically type in all the magic numbers for you over your phone's cellular connection. So click dial, and then it's going to be calling in. Now you can see the number at the top. That's the Zoom number, followed by the meeting number, followed by your participant ID number. And so it's going to dial in. Once it dials in, it's going to add all the phone numbers and everything, all the digits properly. Then when you're connected, you need to actually click on the home button and go back to Zoom so that you can see the video again. So now in my earpiece, it's telling me that I'm in the Zoom meeting, and so now I got to go back to Zoom. So I click the home button, then I click Zoom, and then I can see down in the bottom corner where it shows a picture of a telephone rather than a microphone. And so that means that I'm called in over cellular, but I'm actually using the video over my data connection.